Jai Boro Harini.
Jai Boro Harini.
Yeah. Yes. दिनै जोङो एम्फौ एनला जानो फैदों मा दाउ जाखोथाय बियो नैबे सखा नामा आरो मा एम्फौथाय नैबे खुसेंग्रा बेयो गोमोथिं
That one's still alive.
Oh, small fish ना फिसा गोरलै बेबो गोमोथिं एम्बु बियो एम्बु गोरलै बिगुरबो गाराखै डाइरेक्ट फ्राय Hello, खुलुमबाय नोंथांमोनखौ बयखौबो कम्बोडियानि केपिटेल सिटियाव बरायबाय पेनम पेन कम्बोडियानि केपिटेल सिटि आंनि हस्टेल मेट Peter इंलेन्डनिफ्राय and again another gentleman फ्रान्सनिफ्राय बिथाङा कम्बोडियायाव 25 years जाबाय थानाया माने गासिबो खना खनला मिन्थिजोबगौ बिथाङा जोंखौ लानानै थांगासिनो दं मोनसे जायगायाव $5 माने अनलिमिटेड बुफे लान्च मोनजागोन नन भेज एभरिथिं लाइक जेसेबां जानो जा दा बिथाङा जोंखौ लांगासिनो दङ नोंथांमोननो देखायसिगोन दा थांनानै मा जिनिस मोनजागोन मेनुआ सानफ्रामबो सोलायबाय थायो जाहैदों दिनै मा मेनु मिन्थिला सहैबासो मिन्थिसिगोन Oh, this is it. Yeah. Me ads. बेनो नै सफैबाय Me ads. मेनुखौ बेबायदिनो देखायो नै मा मोनजायो $5 आव मेनुफोरखौ देखायनोसै आं नोंथांमोननो नै सफैबाय चिकेन फ्राइड पुलाव राइस मा जिनिस मिन्थिला बिराद गरम नूडल राइस राइट आरो नै बाहायबो दङ चिकेन
What's this?
Some kind of soup
Pork seaweed soup.
Seaweed soup.
Yes, very
Wow.
good.
This
And then
egg
salted
wow दाउदै नै बे सुप जाहैदों ओमफ्राय मा होननांगौ बेखौ इन्डियाननि बायदि पुरि आरो बाहाय बायदिसिना दंगोन नै गार्लिक लेमन बानलु ओंखामबो जानो हायो ना नै लाबोबाय बांद्राय लाबोआसै Oh, you have started already enjoying. How is it, bro?
Very nice.
Very nice.
Yeah, lovely.
आंबो जानोसै barbecue chicken.
Oh my God.
Chicken fried. Russian market. ओंखाम जाखांबाय जोङो दा Russian marketआव थांनो नागिरदों Russian market माने रासियानि नङा बियो कम्बोडिया पेनम पेननि Russian market सेन्ट्रेल मार्केटबो दं सेन्ट्रेल मार्केटआव दामा रासिन लायो जाहैदों मस्टलि टुरिस्टफ्रा थाङो नालाय सेन्ट्रेल मार्केटआव दा जोङो Russian मार्केटआव थांनो नागिरबाय एसे टि-शार्ट बायनो नागिरबाय टि-शार्टआ नै बेल'सेना ब्लेक आरो बिराद हिट जायो बेनि थाखायनो माने व्हाइट कालार नागिरनोसै एबार Now you will speak in my language like I love you means like आं नोंखौ मोजां मोनो से आं नोंखौ मोजां मोनो Yeah, I love you that means
I love you.
Yeah. What is the price of petrol here? Price of petrol here 1 liter
Petrol?
Yeah
Oh, so right now expensive.
How much?
1 liter about
$1.50
Yes, for 1 liter.
1 liter $1.50 it's quite expensive Russian market
Cambodia they say Totampung.
Totampung Okay how much?
Yes.
$9,300
Yeah.
Yeah
I hope see you again.
Yeah Russian marketआव सफैबाय Are you planning to buy anything?
Gold and silver.
Oh yeah, ring.
A ring at least.
Yeah.
I think I get a silver ring from here. Oh, my fingers are too fat for everything.
Yeah, I need to buy a white t-shirt.
Oh, what is it? Oh, well,
Yeah.
there you go. There's a place for you.
White t-shirt, yeah. You find some like plain white t-shirt, good one.
Oh, yeah, that looks quite nice.
Let's take it out. What size is this? I think it will be fit for me.
Yeah, that looks about right. I'll say.
Yeah.
Looking good. I think that's nice. That's diesel.
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 How much, bro? Huh? 7,000. No discount. $7. It's too much.
$7. That's a lot.
$5 I give you.
$5.
$5.
Bargain
Yeah.
hunter.
Yeah.
All right.
$5 ni mình vay. $5 ni.
Hello, little man. Wave, go say hello. Say hello. Hello.
Oh, maybe this also one more piece. I think I'll take two.
What's this one?
Maybe the size same size. Same size.
Yeah, that would be cheaper. That's not got diesel on it, so you
This
get
not.
Yeah,
What about
cheap.
this $4?
$3.
Huh? Same
Three.
price?
$3. No, that's not. It's not. No name brand. No name brand. $3.
Okay, all right. $5, $10 too.
All right.
Thank
There we
you.
go.
Thank you too.
All right.
$10 Pero Gidit market. It's really very huge market. दिनै जोङो एम्फौ एनला जानो फैदों मा दाउ जाखोथाय बियो नैबे सखा नामा आरो मा एम्फौथाय नैबे खुसेंग्रा बेयो गोमोथिं
That one's still alive.
Oh, small fish. Na फिसा गोरलै बेबो गोमोथिं एम्बु बियो एम्बु गोरलै बिगुरबो गाराखै डाइरेक्ट फ्राय खुसेंग्राखौ जासिगोन आरो बे एम्फौखौ जासिगोन नैबे सखागोन बेयो मा दाउ जाखो बेखौ जानोसै
One and
one
Anh đi mùi mà.
yeah
One
one
$1.
yeah
What is that?
$1.
Is it
Two
pigeon?
faces.
Pigeon?
no I don't know some birds I think
how much you want? 1, 2, 3,
maybe 1 2 each maybe
2.
let's have it
just
2
have
each
one each.
Two?
one
Yeah,
each
two.
enough okay
Two, one for
one
you.
each yeah
1 each. One there, and after this.
one this also one
Oh, one.
yeah
Can you ask her what that is? What is that?
some birds
Birds, I don't know which one.
birds yeah
Eh? $2? Yeah, okay.
oh this is $2 now wow and this one yeah
Well, a whole box full. I was only going to try one. Yeah, that'd be alright.
yes
Whoa,
yes
alright.
yeah
Oh my god,
Yes.
you're a crazy man.
no problem I can eat
You can eat, yeah?
oh my god
Oh my god, there's loads.
but they have not taken out the wings you know I mean the, 2,000 $2
No, $2.
$1 please $1 half yes
Just
half
get a few of them, man. Just get
half yes half dollar $1 yeah $1 and this also half please
Yeah, so you're not hungry, eh?
yeah
Oh, it's you know, this one, yeah.
half yeah $1 okay मानैजों $1 मासेयाव $1 बेखौ $1 नि लाबाय बेखौ $1 yeah thank you जोङो केमेर हारिनि अथेन्टिक जाग्राफोर जानो फैबाय डिनार खालामनो जों दहाय बायनानै लाबोनायखौ नै जानो नागिरबाय जोङो दाउखौ मा होनो सखाबो दङ बेनिफ्राय एम्फौ सेंग्रा जोङो जासिगोन Yeah, cheers.
Cheers, man.
Yeah, for our friendship.
To India.
India, England.
India and
Reconnecting back.
England together.
Yeah. You can dip here in the salt, it'll be more taste nicer.
All right.
Yeah, direct. Yeah.
Chin chin.
Okay, leg piece, come on.
Chin.
Yeah.
Get the
Cricket.
get the cricket out and show us what
Yeah.
you're doing.
Just remove this.
Remove this.
What do you say this one? This is not a skin like wings.
The wing, yeah.
The wings and just dip a
Dip in
little
the
bit.
salt.
Yeah, salt.
And then
Yeah.
full.
Crunchy.
Crunchy, crunchy. Very
And
nice.
just a sip of this beer.
All right. So we've got some chili sauce now.
Good. Yes.
Yeah, just like that.
Yes, you learn it. Just put a dip here, maybe here. In
You
the...
take off the head and all.
Nothing. You can eat it. Just crush
eat
it,
the head,
everything.
yeah?
Yeah, nothing. You just, yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Here's to you.
Good. It's good. Crunchy. Yeah. Maybe dip it the sparrow so far.
Oh my God! It's
Yeah, put
actually
that.
got a little
No,
head.
nothing. Direct get like that.
Oh my God. Hello, mate. Check this out. What I've got in my hand. Look. That is a sparrow. Yeah, I just had a bit of pigeon. Just had a bit of pigeon, and I just had a cricket. Just ripped off its wings. So yeah, now I'm gonna eat the sparrow.
Sparrow.
I don't know how exactly you eat it. I'll see if I'll
Nothing. You just dip in that. They can eat like that.
I'm with my mate Alfred.
Hi.
He's my brother.
Yeah.
Yeah. Having a nice
I'll
time.
hold it for you.
Oh, you hold it for me. So I mean, what did you do? Just rip off the legs?
Oh, you just catch in that.
But yeah, get up the head.
Yeah. Just pull it. Yes. Yeah, you
Oh.
dip it and eat it. Just
There you go. So that's
Yeah.
the
dip
head
here.
and the legs.
Yeah.
Right, there you go. And then
Yeah. Everything.
what? It's nothing. There's no meat on it.
Yeah, no problem. No, you eat it. Even the bones you can eat. Come on.
I'm not eating the bones. And then huh? Did I try the dog? No, I didn't try the dog. I was with a vegetarian girl. Oh, that's a spinal column. I probably want something a bit more meaty.
Yeah. Yes.
There you go. That looks good.
How is it?
That is really nice.
Oh,
Really nice.
good.
Very nice. Very, very nice. Oh wow. Delicious.
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, grab yourself. Oh, what's he got?
Yummy.
Yummy.
So what you doing here in Cambodia? You guys?
Huh?
What you doing here in Cambodia?
Oh, we're coming to see all the pretty girls. That's it. Yeah. Hey.
Jahwbai.
Jahwbai.
Yes. Oh,
Okay.
yes. Jahwbai. Yeah. Finish.
Finish.
Finish eating. Yeah. Lunchखौबो जों ज' जादोंमोन दा डिनारखौबो ज' जाबाय आरो रासिन मार्केटआव बेरायहैबाय
Yeah.
फार्स्ट टाइम एम्बु बेदर दाउ माबा माबि जाला जोब्बाय खुसेंग्रा Good night guys.
Good night.
Yeah, see you again.
See you.
लोगो मोनफिनसिगोन गोजोनथोंसै जय बर' हारिनि
Zay Boroni.
Yeah, जय
Zay
बर'
Boro
हारिनि
Harani.
Yeah.